Hey guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another hair video for you guys, and I asked you guys on Instagram what hair videos would you like to see, and a lot of you said wash and goes and different wash and go combinations. So I'm here to bring that to you guys today, and I'm really excited about it. So if you guys have been around my channel for a while and have watched my previous hair videos, then you guys know I am obsessed with Wetline Extreme Gel. Like, I use that gel for every single wash and go, but I really don't want my videos to get super duper repetitive. So we're going to start experimenting with different hair products and just trying different wash and go combinations, different gels, one product wash and goes, no gel wash and goes. We're going to try it all. So today I have two products from Honey Baby Naturals, and I've had these products for quite some time. I've actually used them before, but I've never used them in a wash and go before, and one of the products is specifically made for that. So I figured, why not try it out today and see how it goes. I did start with one section of hair already. I did add a little bit of other products just to kind of experiment before recording, just to see what I like and what my hair is going to react to. And I think my hair likes just these two products and a lot of water. I do have a leave-in in already. Now, I don't have a Honey Baby Naturals leave-in, but I do have this Soultanicals Mango Dip Detangling Slip leave-in conditioner. So I applied this in the shower, so it's all over my head already. And then I'm going in with the Wash and Go styling cream, and just for a little bit of hold, we're using the Really Hold It Intense Styling Gel. So that is what's on my hair right now. I don't know how this is gonna come out. It's a little bit frizzier than what I'm used to, because obviously Wetline really just clumps my curls and just keeps everything in place. But it does leave my hair really hard, and I do feel like it's probably why my breakage is kind of increasing instead of getting better, even though I'm doing my seasonal trims and everything. I don't know if that might be the cause, so using something with a little bit less hold might be better. But we're definitely going to see how this wash and go turns out, so I'm really excited. Before we begin, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm just going to take a portion of my hair. Like I said, I already have that leave-in in, so we don't have to add any additional leave-in. And I'm just going to start by spraying this piece down with some water. Now, because I'm really tired of just seeing really tiny pieces all throughout my head, I am now trying to transition to strictly finger detangling. I notice when I really detangle in the shower before applying my leave-in, and even after I've applied my leave-in, it's making the process a lot easier. I just keep detangling for every little step of my wash day, and it helps. It definitely does help. All right, so I'm going to do the Wash and Go Honey Styling Cream. I'm going to start by applying that to my hair. I can tell if you have like type 3 hair, you can just use that Wash and Go styling cream by itself, and I'm sure your curls are going to look poppin'. I have type 4 hair, but it's really coarse, so I don't know, like my hair doesn't get like super defined like everyone else's quickly. Like, it takes a minute, it takes some extra work. So I'm just doing the raking method, just raking that through my hair. So that's definitely giving my curls some definition, but for the added hold, we're gonna add the gel to it. So I'm just smoothing that on my hair and raking that through as well. I would love if you guys left some suggestions in the comments of different types of hair videos you want to see in 2020. It is now 2020 when you're watching this. I really want to know what you guys would like to see. What combinations for wash and goes. We're going to try everything that we failed at this past year. Okay, so my hair has all that product. Now I like to just kind of go back over it with the water a little bit, just to help that product distribute better. I don't know, I feel like it helps if my hair is soaking wet. So this is what my hair is currently looking like. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this combination all over. We'll be back towards the end and we'll see how it looks. Okay guys, so I have the product all over my head and I must say it looks pretty good. It looks pretty promising. It's not super sticky like how the wet line leaves my hair, but it did give me some definition, and so I'm actually really excited. I think this wash and go is gonna come out amazing. So I'm gonna sit under the dryer for a little bit and then I'll be back once it's all dry, and then maybe check in tomorrow to see how the wash and go is looking. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so my hair is completely dry and I must say I love the way it's looking right now. My curls are popping. My hair isn't hard. It's not hard at all. It's not hard like what the wet line does to my hair. And obviously like no flaking because the products just combine perfectly together. I'm living for it. So it is 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm super tired and I have to be up in the morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie my hair down when I wake up in the morning, just fluff and just show you guys what my hair is looking like. If you're wondering how I sleep with my wash and goes and how I refresh in the morning, I have a full dedicated video to that process. So I will link it in the cards for your viewing pleasure, and I will see you guys in the morning. Okay guys, so it is the next day. I don't know why I look so washed out. I'm not too sure, but since I'm in a rush, I can't really adjust the lighting like that. But I just wanted you guys to see what my hair looks like the next morning. It looks amazing. I absolutely love it. I give these products 2 thumbs up for my hair type. This is perfect for a wash and go, and it does not feel hard like the wet line leaves my hair, and it wasn't super sticky applying it, which I feel like would help minimize my breakage in a sense. I don't know, something about the hair being super sticky and me raking my fingers through it makes me feel like maybe that's why my hair has been breaking so much. I'm not too sure. That's my little theory, but we're going to really be experimenting with a bunch of different products, and if I notice a decrease in breakage, then that's probably what it was. So yeah guys, I absolutely love this wash and go. It looks amazing. And yeah, that's going to conclude this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.